Roll-off dumpster rental service in Papillion, Nebraska. Are you looking for reliable and affordable roll-off dumpster rental services in Papillion, Nebraska? RMS Dumpsters is your go-to solution. Whether you're planning a home renovation, cleaning out your garage, or managing a construction site, we offer a wide variety of dumpster sizes to meet your needs. Our roll-off dumpsters are perfect for handling debris, construction materials, household junk, and more. At RMS Dumpsters, we prioritize convenience, offering same-day and next-day delivery to ensure that your project stays on schedule. We understand the importance of reliable service, and that's why our team ensures timely drop-offs and pickups. Our roll-off dumpsters come in different sizes, from 10-yard to 40-yard options, giving you the flexibility to choose the right size for your project. Whether you're tackling a small cleanup or a large-scale construction job, RMS Dumpsters can accommodate your needs. Don't let waste pile up. Call RMS Dumpsters today to schedule your dumpster rental. Our friendly team will guide you through the process and help you choose the best dumpster for your project. For fast, dependable service, contact RMS Dumpsters at 402-510-7016. We are proud to serve the Papillion, Nebraska area with affordable and professional dumpster rental services. Let us help you get the job done right.